outside. In today's video, we are going to be, I'm going to be checking out. I am going to be reviewing my program that I made, not entirely by me. My uncle and I spent countless hours trying to make this, and so I'm very proud of it. Let's get into this. So, basically, let's open it into terminal event. So here's it. My uncle basically did all of this from 4 plays to break even. I did everything up there. So basically this is super cool and I love this program. So let's run it. So I named it math. Also the code should be in the description. By the way, this is all in Python 2. Python 2, that's what I was going to say. Anyways, let's... Alright. Welcome to my math program. This is in beta and there's no algebra in this program. Please enter 2 numbers for my math equation. I want to do 5 and 5. I want to add, and it's 10. Let's say I want to subtract, so 5 and 5. I want to subtract, and it should be 0. And let's say, how much does 1 go into 5? Let's do div, and it should be 5. And let's do multiplication. 5 times 5 should be 25. Wait. And 25, yes! So, it took so long to do this. It took me the whole day today, and half of yesterday to make this. And basically, my first assumption. So the first thing that we started with was a rough draft and pseudocode. So I did some pseudocode. I'm like, you know what? Let me do this. So I made a program that does addition all for you. And then I'm like, this is boring. I want to add more. And so I tried to do like if this variable equals this string, and it didn't work. So I'm like so frustrated, and I like Google search, nothing happens. So I call my uncle, and I call the tech nerd my uncle, and he's like, I'm gonna do some searching. So we all did some searching, we all tested, we all smashed our heads into the floor, and finally he comes up with this line of code, and we're like, everybody, this is it! And we were so happy, and we just made this program into existence. So here's what it does. The first thing is it prints out this very cool welcome to my program, whatever, and then it prints out, please enter 2 numbers for your math equation. And basically the 2 variables will map this and it'll split like that. The first list is add, sub, divide, and multiply. This is just the list of inputs that they can put in. And here, num raw input, what would you like to do? What would you like to do? And then this will do that, and then this happens. So if num is add, then it'll add. If it's subtract, then it'll subtract. If it's div, then it'll divide. And if it's anything else, then it'll multiply. So please enter, let's do 5 and 5. And if I do this, then it'll multiply it because it thinks that. So I'm here to fix that. And that should be very easy. My uncle was like, he didn't really think people accidentally or randomly put or misspell it or think you have to put subtraction, but I'm gonna fix that. So elif, and then num equal double quotes, and then multi, multi, And then don't forget to do the colon. That always gets me. If it does that, then all it's gonna do is print. It's gonna print A multiplied by B, and it's gonna break. Okay, and else print. Sorry, I didn't get that. Try add sub div or multi. So if let's clear. Okay, so here it expected an indentation block that print A multiplied by B. But that's weird, there is an indentation block. Is it? Okay. Invalid syntax. Okay. So we're very close to the end. Maybe they want no. Okay, then it's like unexpected indentation. Okay. I'm gonna copy the code. Let's just save this file with a different name. Service file. Okay. Yeah, these are all my stuff. Let's see. Control Z. So let's check back to where they didn't. Okay, so all of this is not scripted. Like, I'm actually coming up with these problems. Like, they're actually problems, so. Else, if it does that. Okay. I guess. Maybe. But I really don't know why it does that, though. Maybe. It won't like that. If you're a full-on programmer that knows Python really well, and you know program is really well, you're probably gonna be like, no, that's not how you do it. But look, I'm new to this. Just put a space. I don't think that doesn't really matter. Yeah. So, what about if I do elif? No, that won't do anything because that's okay. How about without colon? Okay. That's a semicolon. So apparently that's not working. Let's check this. How about I don't put an else. I just put elif. Elif num equals and multi. Okay. That doesn't really do anything, but okay. Oh! I hate myself. Okay. Okay. Print. Okay, is there going to be unexpected indentation? Okay. Print. Well, let's print in Sorry, I didn't get that. Try doing add sub multi multi or diff. So I think that was wrong. Yes, I think this is correct. Okay, let's do 5 and 5. Sorry, okay, that did that 4 times. So I need to break away from that loop. So I'm gonna just click break. Actually, that's clear. So if you enter text here, I don't know how to fix this, but it'll just splatter out stuff like, oh no, I don't know, it invalid. You typed in this one instead of whatever. So I don't know how to fix that. Enter in the comments if you do know, but enter 2 numbers. Let's do 5 and 5. Hi. Yes! Sorry, I didn't get, okay. And then if I actually do something, and I actually changed multi, so elif, so I'm gonna try multi. Sorry, oh yeah. That's 5 and 5. I want multi. 25, yes, it works. So that should be all for today's video. Hope you guys liked this. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see y'all next time. If you want to copy this code and try it for yourself, the code should be in the description. Also note that this is only in Python 2, so if it's not working, then check, cause if you're on Linux, or I think this can work for Windows and Mac too, I don't know because I'm a full-time Linux user. If you have Python installed, if you try to run it, try putting just Python and then the file name, because usually you would put Python free and it'll run it in Python free, which this is not compatible with. See, as you can see, if I try doing Python free, it says raw input is not defined because, and you're supposed to put input, not raw input, and so yeah, that's only for Python 2. But thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye! I had a very fun time making this.